Hey y'all, back. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an update from my Pretty Little Thing haul. So I returned the items that couldn't fit in my last haul, which was those 3 pair of pants. I ended up keeping the gray sweats, and I returned the sweats that were in the color sand, and the double-waisted or double waistband pants. They didn't have those in my size, so I couldn't reorder those. But I did look on Fashion Nova and they have a pair similar, so I might order those from Fashion Nova. But the mom jeans, I think I ended up getting those in my size, so I have them in this order. So I'm gonna try the mom jeans again and see if they fit, and if they aren't looking right in my size, then I'm just gonna scratch them and return them and just forget about them. So here it is, my new order from Pretty Little Thing, the returns that I took back, and I have now exchanged them, or should I say reordered, because you do get a refund. I got a refund on those pants. It was like over 100 or something that I got back. So I reordered some new items, re-bought the mom jeans, so I'm gonna see how those go. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them. I love their little bag with the unicorns. So girly, so cute. All right, I'm gonna start with the mom jeans. So the mom jeans are back, y'all. You know I hate that mom jean, but these are the Shape Mid-Wash mom jeans. These are in a size 14 UK size, so I have to see what that is, US size. But I'm gonna see if they fit this time. I think I might have went down 2 sizes. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna see if they fit this time. If not, I'm letting them go. No more mom jeans. Before I start the try on portion of the video today, I want to thank the company Zee Elle. They sent me over this ponytail that I'm going to try on and review while I try on these different outfits. When I pulled this hair out of the package, I definitely thought this hair resembled my hair very closely. The color, the texture is very thick. This is a drawstring ponytail, and I believe it is 24 inches. It has 2 clips inside as well, and it's very easy to put in. I just basically put my hair into a ponytail. You decide on where you want your hair to be placed at. I decided to put mine just basically over the ears, just slightly. And I must say that this hair is one of the closest extensions that I have that is very similar to my hair. I really like the hair. If honestly, I would like to see if they have track hair, and I'm gonna look into that to see if they have track hair, because I think that the track hair would look really nice. I like the texture of this hair. It's really nice, and it's very full. It's just really nice hair. The only bad thing about the ponytail that I must say is that the drawstring is not that secure. I think they should work on the drawstring being a little more secure, and I would order a ponytail from them again. But the hair is beautiful. They have beautiful hair for sure, and I'm gonna look into what other types of hair that they have, because the hair is really nice quality. I liked it and it looked very close to my hair. But thank you guys. Thank you, Zee Elle, for sending me the ponytail. I did enjoy it and I will be wearing it again. Thank you. Okay, so I'm starting with the mom jeans. Here they are again. I think I went down 2 sizes on these mom jeans. Now, the mom jeans, they do fit. I must admit they fit, but I don't think I really like how they fit. So I probably will be returning these, but you know, they're all right. At least they fit this time, and I can see how they're supposed to look. But yeah, these are probably gonna go back. On the model, they looked really cute, and I think with the outfit she had, I had a whole idea for this, but I'm probably just not gonna keep these and return these. But you know. Okay, now this is the PLT recycled off-white short sleeve bodysuit in the UK size, large. And here it is. It has pretty little thing written across it. All right, I'm gonna try that on. Okay, now this one says pretty little thing on the front. This is a cute little bodysuit. I like the color. I like the style of this. It's really cute. Something to throw on real quick and easy. Yeah, so I love this bodysuit. The only thing with this bodysuit is this is a size large, and I have no problem usually with a size large. So I don't know why it's just a little too tight. So it's giving medium, and that's the only problem with this. I definitely probably will return this and order this an extra large, I guess. So yeah. Now I got these recycled off-white high-waisted joggers to go with the bodysuit top. So it's supposed to be like a set, really. I've noticed with Pretty Little Thing, like most of their sets are separate. So like if you see a cute little two-piece set, you probably have to buy the shirt and the pants separate. So this seems like that's how they do it. But these are supposed to go with that. Well, the model had them on together. So I bought that little set. I'll try those on. Okay, so this is the sweats that go with the top. And I think these are really cute. The match is perfect. The colors, I guess it is supposed to be a set. I love the fit of these. They're really cute. The only thing is they're a little bit too small as well, just like the top. The whole set I would go up one size. So, but I really like it. I'm hoping I could take this back and find one size up. That would be perfect for me because I really like this set. It's cute. And the pants, I don't know if you can see it, but on my left thigh it says Pretty Little Thing as well, and it's like a pretty cream color, and I'm really feeling this set. So yeah, this is perfect just to throw on in the fall. So yep, I'm gonna be trying to reorder this one to size up. Yep. I don't know why I'm buying all of these sweats and pants like we're not in summer. That's kind of strange. I guess I'm preparing for the fall. So this is like a summer to fall haul. Now what is this? Oh, that's a corset top. Okay, so next I got this Pretty Little Thing shape black buckle detail cargo corset in a size 18 UK. So this is like a black corset top, and it has like the little logo on there. So that looks cute. Hopefully this one fits. I'm gonna try this one on and see how it is. Okay, now this corset top is really cute. It's black, my favorite color to wear. It's got little details everywhere. It's kind of giving Laura Croft, you know, vibes. I like it. It is simple, but at the same time detailed. So I like this a lot. I like how it has that little part in the cleavage area as well. Has a little string going across. I might keep it. It also has the little logo right there. So this one was real cute. So this is the Pretty Little Thing shape black pocket detail wide leg joggers in a size 16 UK. And this is supposed to go with the corset top, the black corset top, to make like an outfit. But like I said, you got to buy everything separate with them. So this goes with them. And that's cool too, because sometimes you might just want the pants or you just might want the top. So I can kind of understand that. But this is supposed to go with the corset top to be an outfit. I hope it looks cute together. So. Okay, so this is the cargo pants that go with the corset top in black. It has the little pockets. I really feel like this is giving Laura Croft vibes. Sexy Laura Croft. Well, Laura Croft is sexy already, but you know, I'm feeling this look. I like it. I think it'd be cute for a photo shoot or something like that. But yeah, I like it all, the details and everything. This one was really cute to me. The sizing, maybe it could be changed, but I might deal with it. Now, I caught a good sale when I bought these items. They had like a code, and I think I got 50% off of all of this. So I was really happy I had caught that sale. It was like 50% off. And I had got a refund for my other items, so I did good on this one. Okay, here I got these shape green camo print low rise cargo joggers in a size 16 UK size. I did me a whole camo photo shoot on IG, and I wore a camo dress in front of the Jeep. Yeah, but I like me some camo, so I'm praying that these work out because I've been wanting some cargos. I've been wanting me some camo cargos for a minute now. I had a pair, but they didn't really fit that well. Like, I think they got a little too tight and I needed to go a size up, but they didn't sell them anymore. So I'm hoping that these will work out. All right, so I'm gonna try these on and cross my fingers that they work out. Okay, now these are the camouflage cargo pants. I really wanted these to work, but these might just be a little bit too big. But you know, if I'm going for that tomboy look, I could work it, but I might have to just size these down like 1 or 2 sizes. All right, and here I got black, my favorite to wear. This is the shape black one shoulder split bodycon dress in a size UK 16. I can't really remember what this looks like, but it says black one shoulder split bodycon. So the one shoulder, I'm trying to remember, but I'm gonna try this on, see how this looks. Okay, so this is the black dress that I got. Now this dress, it looks cute up top. It's like a one shoulder thing, but then you get to the bottom and I think they did a little too much with this dress. I mean, this slit is super high. I don't know what they was thinking. It's hot though. I like it. I'm gonna keep it because I might use it for like a photo shoot or something. But I don't know, wearing it out, I think I'm gonna be trying to fix this every 5 seconds because it is doing too much. But yeah, it's hot. I like it, but I don't know about wearing it too many places. So yeah, I don't know. On the model, it didn't look like the slit was this high, but you know, hey, I'm gonna roll with it and wear it somewhere. So yep. You guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I had so much fun with this haul. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, y'all, so that concludes my pretty little thing updated after my returns fashion haul. So if you didn't see my first pretty little thing haul, make sure you check that one out and go to my playlist so you can check out some other hauls that I've done in the past. More hauls coming soon. And you can follow me on IG at charchanel_. I want to thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.